Okay, so I'm going to show a short demonstration of pronunciation training using annotation and selected respelling. This is for my boot camp exam. Okay, so here we have the word pin. So this is p, I, n, short sound. I, p, I, n, pin. P, I, n, pin. Here we have the word pine. So p, I, long sound. Ne? P, I, n. This, nothing. This just shows us that this is a long sound. P, I, n. Pine, pine, pine. See the same here. Mat. M-at. M-at. So, short sound. M-at. Mat. Mat. This is mate. Mate. So this is A. Long sound. We don't say the E. Again, this just shows us this is a long sound here. M-ate. M-ate. Mate. Mate. One more time. Pin. Pine. Mat. Mate. Okay, let's look at a longer sentence. So this letter, long. I. Here, this, short sound. Okay. And no E pronounced. So this is l-i-v. 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 Live. Live. In. Today, we're going to put these two together. So we're going to get something like this. Living. 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 I live in. Okay. The city. City. I. Short sound. And this E sound. City. 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 Okay? Okay, so because, now this one, because, we're not going to say this, we're not going to say this, we're not going to say this. So we're going to get something like because, because it's convenient, okay? So long V sound, V. So V, ni, unt. This is sound, but we're going to have like a U here. Convenient. Please repeat. Convenient. 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 Let's put it together. I live in the city. I live in the city because it's convenient. Because it's convenient. Everything. I live in the city because it's convenient. I live in the city because it's convenient. Okay. That's how I would use annotation and selective respelling to teach pronunciation. Okay, so I was showing at this point that usually this sound dictates a longer one here, né? So, p-I-n, m-ate. But as we can see, it's not always universal. In the case of live, we have a short sound and a silent E as well. So, good to use this system to show students exactly what is happening at each time. Okay, thank you very much.